For everyone who wants to become a sponsor of this channel, I'm sharing more detailed information. What's included in the package you receive when you become a sponsor of my YouTube channel. In short and to the point, you'll receive over 7.5 gigabytes of materials, which include more than 700 folders and over 800 files. Now, let's get into more detail. A catalog with a guide for servicing, programming, and repairing most engine components, technical notes, and so on. A similar catalog for the transmission and clutch, including torque specifications, installation, removal, repair, and much more. A catalog for the installation and repair of body parts, detailing how to remove them, where to cut, and the best ways to restore and fix them. According to the dog, how many elements are disassembled, both from the body and the interior. A catalog for installation, dismantling, adjusting, and programming equipment both inside the car and the equipment in the engine compartment. A separate large catalog regarding air conditioning and cooling, radiators, pipes, and maintenance. And all of this, a similar catalog for the electrical equipment in the car. A catalog of auto parts for the Peugeot 308 in the T9 body with a 1.6 HDI engine. A similar catalog, but for the 1.5 HDI engine. In each of these catalogs, everything is organized into its own folders. A catalog for disassembling the auxiliary equipment on the 1.6 engine, including torque specifications and the sequence of steps. And all of this is a similar catalog, but for the 1.5 HD engine. As a bonus, there are files in separate folders that I've already made available to the public. For example, firmware for the head unit based on the CEMEC, along with speed camera schematics and templates for making all sorts of useful things. And a lot more. I'm just dropping all of this here so you don't have to rewatch all my videos looking for the right link to sum it up. The base is really a huge price for sponsorship. It seems to me purely symbolic. And this is more like a word of thanks to the author. If you like it and want to become a sponsor, just click the button below the video. All the details are there.